Live from your local news source, this is ABC 27 News at 5:30.
Well, we've talked about it before, and it's not going away. There's a shortage of childcare workers.
Well, the Pennsylvania Partnerships for Children is out now with a new report on how this can affect kids. Ireland Viscount joins us with the data. Ireland.
Alicia Dennis, the report shows early care and education is crucial for kids starting at birth and could set them up for success. The Pennsylvania Partnerships for Children's report says in order to give kids the foundation they need for success, there needs to be investments in the early care and education workforce.
For kids to be served, there has to be, well-trained professionals in the different fields that serve them.
But right now, there's a shortage of childcare workers, and the pay is a big reason why.
The average salary for a pre-K teacher is about $34,000 in Pennsylvania.
That's half the average salary for a kindergarten teacher. And the average for all childcare workers, about $15.15 an hour.
And that requires usually a certain level of education and certifications. And you hear all of the time that it's difficult to recruit and retain the workforce in the sector when you can go to a job in retail or something similar to that where you don't have those requirements and you're making more.
Data shows you need trained staff for a high quality education.
Making sure that they have that background around how children develop, how to get them ready for school. And so that's really critical that we make sure that that's in place. Not just, again, for those better outcomes, but also for the health and safety of the child.
The report says only 46% of childcare in the state meets high quality standards.
I think it's important to note that since 2019, so kind of right before the start of the pandemic, there's been a net loss of more than 600 childcare providers in Pennsylvania.
King stresses it's not an easy fix, but it should start with recruiting and retaining staff, and they're asking for the state's support.
As we're kind of wrapping up the current legislative session, already thinking about the next year's budget as we move into 2025, really encouraging state policymakers in the legislative and executive branches to support this specific initiative.
And when we talk about the importance for pre-K, 96% of kindergarten teachers say students who attend high-quality pre-K programs are more ready for kindergarten. Alicia.
Such an important topic. Ireland, thanks so much.